We're at a local day ticket fishery. Me and two of my friends. We've come here today to have a bit of a tongue-in-cheek match. We've had a good laugh making this video, but it is our first attempt, so bear with us. Hope you have a bit of a laugh watching it as well. We've done a draw for swims. We've picked where we're going to go. There's a few fish showing in the area, as you can see. So fingers crossed we'll get amongst them and catch a few for the cameras and have a little bit of a laugh along the way. Enjoy it. So let me introduce you to the anglers.
Straight in the snag. No, straight in the snag.
Noddy. Wop wop wop.
Yeah, not relieved about that one at all. That could have been a shot. I think it's
Oh, look at that. That's a stone.
Wait until you blank, mate.
Right, that is 1-0.
That is 1-0, boys. And it just goes to prove that the chocolate malt.
Oh, I'm away. I'm away. Hold it.
Chocolate malt pop-ups are working.
Yeah, do you know the thing though?
And the chocolate cell is working even better.
QC.
1-0. Oh, Coxie, have you lost it?
Anyway, mate.
Didn't want it, no? Was it only a little one? Right.
I'd rather lose than catch that.
I don't. I've 1-0. Coxie. No, it's not. Sure. Oh, you found it? Yeah, good. You've got another line sitting there. It's about.
Oh, don't mess about.
Makes it 1-1. John 1.
It's 1-1.
Coxie 1.
1-1-0.
And mine's about 7 times bigger than yours.
If you say so, we're still talking fish.
Having a bad boy out.
No.
Central cell 10mm popper.
Over the QC.
Over QC, yep. If it went 1-1, let's do this.
I think I might be in a spot of bother here. So that makes it 2-2.
2-2.
Yeah, and 0.
2-2.
I get it.
Is mine bigger than yours?
That's what they say.
It's cold.
See you, little fella.
Thank you very much. And Benjamin is off the mark. Yep.
It's got no look at that, it's got no anal fin. Nothing at all.
No, it hasn't.
That's where I normally hold it by.
How anal. And there is Ben with his opener of the day. And probably the biggest.
Well, it's quality, not quantity, mate, innit?
Quality QC. Lovely. Back she goes.
Don't come off, don't come off, don't come off. 2-2.
Huge.
There we go. 2 apiece. Happy days.
What are you not?
Oh, I've lost it.
What's doing down there?
Oh
What
yeah.
happened was, got a bite, and yeah, I was just an idiot and fell over. And the scores so far are 2 apiece, and yeah, John just lost one. Ben's happy again after throwing his toys out the pram.
Coming from you.
Kettle's boiled.
Kettle's boiled, John's got to make tea. Yeah, I need to have a wander around.
Now what happened there was, me being a cocky little beep!
Don't need any stiffies on here.
Jesus Christ, man.
How many bites you had?
Ain't nothing wrong with that. That's about that then. That makes it 3-2-2, and I have taken the lead. I have lost about 700 fish, so that'll do. That don't help, does it? Yeah. Well, I do believe this makes it 4-2-2. There you go. Do not use that.
Okay, I promise.
Right, there you go. Lovely little comment from Day Ticket. Here's a fish.
Absolutely. Look, he's watching for. I've got Robin as well.
Chris, that's not going to go through the holes in that net, is it?
It might. On the other hand, that is 4-3-2.
I know the score,
One.
thanks. How come there's 4 of us fishing now?
Kingfisher.
Oh, well, fair enough. Let you off.
Yes, they may not be the biggest, but he's very welcome, and it's another one for the QC bait. And I can hold my fish. Thank you very much. 4, 4, 2, and 1 to the kingfish. Okay, so I changed the colour on the bait and a few more quarries settled. Way! Morning, Trigger! Okay, new wicket keeping coaching and short leg reactions is what's required. So yeah, changing colour on the bait, a few more quarries. In the style of Chrissy Coxey, a fish. Yes, get in there.
Right, puts me back in the race a little bit. Changed over to yellow after Jon did. I had another bite pretty quick, so it's now 4 to Jon, 4 to Chris, and 3 to me. So still game on. Cheers, little fella.
Mate, have you poached that out of my swim?
Yes.
I think I might have missed the filming though.
Why?
What, the whole thing?
Right. Basically, I've just had another one,
Yeah.
and it has been a mad quiet spell where,
Oh, sorry.
how's it long? Has it been an hour and a half?
Something like that, hour.
Hour, and yeah, just had a bite. Fish number 5. Had a little bit of a quiet spell for an hour, but I have had a bite to take me into the lead. It's doing an air swim. I'm winning 5, 4, 3. Oh, Jon?
Yes, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
What, mate?
Are you a winner?
Not yet. Still loads to play
See,
for.
not yet.
Till I'm winning.
20 minutes.
Oh, it's tiny.
How's he catching that? How do I catch that one? Didn't know key nets do any main rigs.
Oh, I got special.
Oh, it landed in your net.
Did it?
Yeah.
5-0.
Oh, no.
5-0. Oh, I'm so sorry, Chris. 5-0. 5-0. Sorry, Chris. You did say at the beginning of the day that the stamp of fish didn't matter, it was numbers, so 5-0. Happy days, thank you. Okay.
Alright, that's it, lads. It's all over.
So that was that. The match ended with Chris on 5, Jon on 5, and me in a respectable last place on 3. Still, it wasn't all bad. We packed up just before the heavens opened and the rain absolutely fell down, and there's always next time. Anyway, we enjoyed making this. It's been a real good laugh. I hope you've had a bit of a laugh watching it, and hope you'll have a look to see if we make any more, which I'm sure we will do. Until then, tight lines.